Tired of buying the wrong foundation shade? Are you getting acne using your foundation? Well, these incredible hacks that I'm going to show you will not only make you use the foundation, and also it'll save you money. You don't have to throw your foundation because you've got the wrong shade, or you've got the wrong uh, foundation for your dry skin, or be it your oily skin. If your foundation is too oily, if your foundation is too matte, we can fix everything in this video. Keep watching until the end. I'm going to share you a good tip at the end to find your shade match online. For any foundation to work, primer is very, very important beneath it. Use it according to your skin type. The Swiss Beauty primer is for oily and pore minimizing, and Prosh is for moisturizing, and Rennie normal, and Mars dry, and Fit Me is dry sensitive skin again. This Maybelline 310 foundation, the Lumi Matte variant, is the perfect match for me. As you can see, the hand swatch and the pigmentation on my hand is being covered mostly by this foundation. It's a medium to buildable coverage foundation, and it is pretty good for dry skin. It's good for all skin types, except that you need to use a moisturizer accordingly and the primer accordingly to your skin type. I have Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting Foundation and the Mars BB Foundation, and Hero in the shade Spiced Beige. All these foundations are similar on the hand swatch. The Hero does have a fragrance to it. So I'm applying it on the cheeks to show you the similarity between all these shades. That is Hero, and this one is Maybelline Lumi Matte. And on this side, the Mars BB foundation in the shade Tan. So all these look similar on the face. I'm just going to blend and show you how they look on the face. Because of their shade match, they apply smoothly on the face. There is no difference in the shades. The Lumi Matte one looks better than the other three because of the coverage it gives. I'm not going to apply it under the eyes because under the eyes we need to apply a concealer, and you can apply a light shade concealer. You can see the coverage. I have Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220, which is not a good match. This is way too light for my skin and it's a bit warm. So I'm going to use a dark concealer to mix with this shade to make it to my skin tone. This is one of the ways for your foundation to work. You can mix and match with the concealer the dark shades that you have. So with this corrector palette, you can use the purple to cancel out the yellow undertone in the foundation. So I'm going to show you on the cheeks how it works. So I've applied 3 swatches on the cheeks. One is with the purple to make it neutral. One is the warm undertone to it. Another one is the actual shade. This concealer shade is Almond from LA Girl, is dark for me. So I'm going to mix it with the right light foundation shade, and I'm using it on the cheeks. So with this way, we don't need to use a corrector, still apply the foundation on the face. So with the foundation, mixing with any concealer works well. I'm using the Mars Cancel Concealer in the shade Honey Glow to show the difference between this foundation and the under eyes. Need to make the under eyes a little light to brighten up. So you can see the eyelid looking ashy because of the wrong shade of concealer. So same can happen with your foundation as well. So in order to correct this, I'm going to use the orange color corrector and then the dark shade of concealer to fix it. So you can do the same with your foundation shades as well. Mix a dark shade of foundation along with the orange corrector and then blend it on the eyes. By this way, we are going to make sure that the eyes do not look ashy. Take a brush and then blend it all over the eyes so it will give a smooth look. I've got a Twitter foundation in the shade 31N French Beige. This is a full coverage foundation, as you know. This retails for 1200, but I've got it in a discount sale of 1050 in Macron website. And this foundation applies, you know, taking care of the concealer job and the corrector job. This foundation is an all in all product. Well, post applying foundation, if you find any dry patches on your face because of the foundation being dry, then what you can do is you can take the moisturizer and primer and then mix it with the foundation and apply it on top. So this will make sure that the dry patches are gone and it wouldn't look different on the face. Well, that's done. I'm going to take the Seal the Deal setting spray from Mars, taking a dry sponge and spreads it with some spray and then dab it on the foundation, because we have got a mix of foundations on the face and I've used concealer as well. So this will help us blend everything properly on the face. I've not applied any foundation on my forehead, which I'm going to do in a minute. So this will ensure that all the products are blended properly and will give you a smooth. So taking a brush and apply the foundation on the forehead. So brush is going to give you a medium coverage. Alright, so this Kiro foundation is in the shade Spiced Beige. This one is having hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and niacinamide in it. It might cause you acne on the face, as I did. Make sure that your foundation doesn't have any fragrance to it. This works best on dry skin, and this is the best for everyone. This is for oily skin, as it's having matte on it. So this works best for oily skin types. This works for all skin types. It's suitable for all skin. This is how we find the shade online. Go to foundation and go to their website foundation.com. So get started, and your existing foundations, concealers, shade has to be given. So I'm typing in Maybelline in it, and in the Maybelline we search for the Lumi Matte foundation. As I said, 310 works best for me, so I'm finding the foundation with the best match here. So once you get it, you can see all the Fit Me Poreless, Fit Me Matte range in this list. So because Maybelline is a worldwide brand, you get all their foundation shade. I've selected Lumi Matte foundation and 310 is my shade. And with the another shade, it's going to get all the perfect matches for us. So I'm also going to give you another shade match here. I'm surprised Kiro is not there in this list. So I've given MAC, and in the MAC I'm using the Fix Plus Powder Foundation. So I'm giving NC42 in there. Click on Find My Matches, and it's going to give you a full list of foundations that matches your skin tone. So you can get it in your email as well and click on Send to be sent. So you can see all the popular foundation brands in there. Mama Earth is there, and we have Lakme, MAC, K Beauty, and the Nika Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation is what I've shown you, and True Tan is my exact match. Yes, it's True Tan. And then if we come down, we can see so many brands and their foundations in there, and you can also see concealers. You can also give your shade match with the concealer to find your foundation shade. So in the Mars, I have given the shade as tan, so that is what I'm using. So this has given me the exact match. As far as we've seen, there are two foundation which match. This website is pretty cool, you can check them. before buying any foundation shade online. Hope this helps. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you found it useful. If you do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, you take care and bye bye for now.